Hello, Finovate. We are Fintech Insights. For those of you who don't know us, we're the digital banking research platform that takes you behind the login screen and shows you every single feature your competitor offers across your local competition to the best in class worldwide. Through our platform, you can benchmark your entire digital banking features against, again, the local to the best in class. So today, we're actually extremely excited to be able to showcase our breakthrough AI module, Fintech Insights GPT. And it's going to change the way that you strategize, plan, and implement your digital banking features. So I'd like us all to be able to run a little exercise together. How long and how much time would it take you to uncover the following? So let's say I'm working for a particular credit union, let's say ViStar, and I'm really interested in understanding what are the top 5 most adopted features in the US that I'm missing from the iOS. So, Constantine, could you help me out with that?
Of course.
All right, so let's go ahead and ask Fintech Insights GPT. I'm ViStar, and show me the top 5 most adopted features I'm missing in the iOS from the US market. And here they are. We could see block card, unblock card, replace damaged debit card, set a savings goal, and view income analysis. So now that I know what the most adopted features that I'm missing, I want to know if one of my biggest competitors in the area, Truist, supports any of the above. So, Constantine, can we ask Fintech Insights GPT if Truist supports any of those features? Looks like all of them are supported by Truist, and they've got a total of 146 features on the iOS. So, I understand that one of my big competitors supports all of these features, and now I want to go to management, and I want to be able to prove to them that we need to implement these features by Q4 of 2021. So, can we go ahead and ask Fintech Insights GPT if it can show us my current self at ViStar versus Truist, and my projected self if we implement all of these features by Q4 2024. And there we have it. We've got a chart built out for us showing ourselves at ViStar, Truist, and our projected selves if we implement those. So we've been able to prove it to the board, and I want to get my team a head start in terms of their research and development. I don't want them to have to reinvent the wheel. So let's ask Fintech Insights GPT if we can see what the best 5 implementations are for one of those. Let's say replace a damaged debit card. And just like that, we can see 1, Truist, Dave, GoToBank, and Zenus happen to have the best implementations for replacing the damaged debit card. And of course, we can click into the best there, 1, and see a real video and a real implementation of exactly how the one customer would go ahead and reorder that card. If we scroll down a step further, we're going to see our journey map here, breaking down the user experience every step of the way. Starting from the home page, every action taken, we're reducing specific friction points, again, based on that action type. This is how we're breaking down the user experience at Fintech Insights. And all the data that we see from Fintech Insights GPT is backed by the real data here of our platform. Of course, we can click into any other bank to see how they do this same feature. Let's say Capital One, for example. And not only that, we can click into any bank, any fintech, any credit union, and any feature very easily. So let's say we want to have a bit of a bigger picture now. So let's go back to Fintech Insights GPT, Constantine, and let's ask if we can create a market for comparison. I want to have ViStar versus the entire US market. And just like that, it's created the market for us, and we can click right in, and it will bring us to our comparisons page. We can see at the top, ViStar versus the US, and we can see our overall market position here as ViStar. And if we scroll down just a step further, we can understand where we're excelling, where the competitors are investing, where the competitors are leading the pack, and most importantly as well, a gap analysis. And if we see here in the pink, we can understand, are there any features that we offer uniquely as ViStar? There in the black, any features that we might have in common with this US market, and most importantly, in the blue, is the market opportunity. Any features that we're missing that the competitors support. If we click into any of these categories, let's say money transfers, for example, we're going to be able to see each and every single feature that we're missing. So, our mental exercise has come to an end. How much time would it need all of you to be able to perform all of these steps and uncover this information? In case you blinked, we posed as ViStar, found out what's missing from our market and what's most adopted. We have a competitor, and we found out that they've supported all of those features. And we've also been able to refer to the best-in-class implementations for those missing features to hit the ground running. Now, we've done this all in under 7 minutes. So, come to our booth. You'll be able to ask any question and see how you can reduce your go-to-market time by 60 to 70%. Now, I've got one last question for Fintech Insights GPT. Constantine, could you ask the AI, if we give you the location of John Connor, can you tell us how to win Best of Show at Finovate? No, I'm just kidding, guys. But all of you can help by voting for Fintech Insights. So, we'll be waiting for you at our booth. Come by and ask anything you like of Fintech Insights GPT, and we'll be able to answer it. And if you come by, we're more than happy to give you and your organization a week of Fintech Insights on us. Happy exploring, everyone.